Lesson 51, words often confused. All right, fourth grade, this is our last lesson. We have made it. We have finished our grammar workshop book. I am so proud of you guys. Distance learning has been, I know, challenging, but I hope that these lessons have really helped you guys out, and you've been able to maybe go back and, rewatch if you needed to. Okay, so lesson 51, words often confused. When two words sound alike or are similar in spelling, the two words can be confused. For example, the word advice is often confused with the word advise. To avoid confusion, learn the meaning and spelling of each word. Advice is helpful information you give to someone. When you advise someone, you give him or her a helpful suggestion. So I looked at these and I thought, oh, yep, I see this happen all the time. Not just with you guys, fourth grade, but with so many people. So it's just good to know, what the words are, so that you use them in the right way. Okay, so what we're gonna do is I'm going to go down and read these, and then I want you to pause and try to do it on your own, and then press play and see how well you did. All right, so this is desert, proof, already, further, sun, by, prove, dessert, farther, already, by, and sun. All right, so pause it and then press play to see how well you did. Okay, so desert is a dry, sandy land. So that's D. Proof is to show that something is true. Already. Oh, okay, let's see. Something that is already is completely ready, right? That is, I'm going to come back to that one. Let's see, okay? Further, something that's further is more distant. So we're going to come back to this one because they are very, very similar. Sun, S-U-N, is the star that Earth revolves around, right? And that is A. By, okay, let's see. So it could be by this time. It wouldn't be to get something to paying for it for money. That's actually right here, right? By. So that would be K. This is evidence. Okay. So by would be a preposition that tells who or what did the action. So that would be I. Yes, I. Sorry, I just had to make sure. Okay. Prove is to show someone did something. That would be oh, you know what? Mrs. Romero made a mistake. Mrs. Romero made a mistake, and I'm going to tell you what I did. And what have I talked to you guys, boys and girls, about? Mrs. Romero makes mistakes. Adults make mistakes. This one is actually incorrect. C, proof, to show that something is true. That's actually C right here, to prove something. Now proof is evidence. So that would be L. Oh, see, Mrs. Romero, I'm sorry, fourth grade. See, I'm human, right? We make mistakes, and it's okay to admit that. All right, so dessert is, where's a sweet food? H, okay, H. Farther would be, it would be, where is that one at? In addition to something. Oh, here we go. This is Mrs. Romero made a mistake again. So, you'll have to excuse me because it's hard holding the phone and, trying to do all this. So, Mrs. Romero actually did make a mistake. Where are we at? Farther. Farther could be more distant. Further would be in addition to something, right? So furthermore, in addition to something. So actually, Mrs. Romero made another mistake. B would be F, and further would be H. Sorry, what is that? B, more distant. Okay, see, and there is no. It's okay. That's just what happens, and I'm sorry for confusing you. Look at that, Mrs. Romero. The last lesson you had to confuse your fourth graders. Ay, ay, ay. Okay. Anyway, all right. So then we have already, and then we have son. Well, we know that son right there is a male child, right? So that would be E. Okay. So now we're left with by this time and completely ready. So completely ready, that would be all ready. Like, okay, I'm all ready to go. That would be J. So J goes here. By this time, they should be here already, would be G right here. Okay? All right. So again, we have D, L, J, F, A, I, C, H, B, G, E, and K. All right, so practice B, you're going to write the word in parentheses that correctly completes each sentence. Today we had to write our favorite recipes, so that would be dessert. And yes, you have to write them in. I'm only circling them for time. All right, my favorite recipe for lemon cookies was given to be, would it be buy, like to buy something, or buy, like by this time it would be buy, or given someone, right? By tells who or what did the action. The first step in this recipe is to buy, like purchase, all the ingredients. Okay. All right. So you're going to continue doing practice B. All right. And what I want you to do is put an X here and put an X here, because you guys deserve to have a break. So you don't have to do practice C. You don't have to do practice D. Okay? You're just doing practice A. You already did. And the rest of practice B. You guys got this. All right. Lesson 51, words often confused.